Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to add contacts to your list in ActiveCampaign. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, go to the Contacts tab. Then, open the contact you want to add to your list. In the menu, you'll see an Add button next to the list options. Click on Add, then select the list you want to add the contact to. And that's it. Your contact has now been added to the list. Additionally, I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate $3,493 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite moments with us.